Why does your scanner show the P1295 engine code? What does it mean? P1295 is a diagnostic trouble code for electronic throttle control (ETC) malfunction power management. This indicates a problem with the electronic throttle control (ETC) system, often related to the throttle body or its related components. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty throttle body, FICM issues, wiring harness problems, sensor problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in vehicles equipped with OBD2 systems and most commonly associated with Kia Sedona and Hyundai Sonata vehicles, but can also be found in Land Rover and Nissan. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.